Connect everything: Gmail, calendar, and your business. Now, most people use Claude as a standalone AI. So you type something, it responds, and done. But the moment you connect Claude to the tools you already use every day, your inbox, your calendar, your files, something fundamentally different happens. Claude stops being a chat tool and becomes your command center. Let me show you. Claude's connector system lets you link external tools directly to your Claude account. So Claude can read, search, and act on your behalf inside those tools. No copy pasting, no switching tabs, no, let me go check that and come back. You ask Claude, Claude goes and gets it. And that's how easy it is. So we are going to cover two connectors that deliver immediate daily value: Gmail and Google Calendar. And then I'm going to show you an advanced move that turns those two connectors into something more powerful than just an inbox search. So we start with talking about the ChatGPT migration. Why ChatGPT migration? Well, quick one before we get to connectors. So if you have been using ChatGPT and you are making the move to Claude, you don't have to start from scratch. Claude has a built-in memory import feature that pulls your preferences, history, and context from ChatGPT and brings it over automatically. The whole process takes less than 2 minutes. Your Claude will immediately know the things ChatGPT learned about you over time. Clean start, zero knowledge left behind. Now, let's talk about the Gmail connector. Gmail. How do you connect it? Well, you go to the sidebar, you click on Customize, go to Connectors, look for Gmail, log in, and that's it. 2 minutes, and Claude now has read access to your inbox. And here is why this matters more than it sounds. Gmail's built-in search is genuinely bad. It is keyword matching on a decade of email. Claude's search is semantic. It understands the meaning, the context, the relationships, and the priority. So instead of trying to remember the exact wording of an email from 6 months ago, you just ask, find the contract renewal discussion I had with the supplier in Q4 last year. And Claude finds it. And here is the power move for anyone who works with an assistant. Create a shared Claude account. Connect your inbox to it. Your assistant can now self-serve on any question they would normally come to you with. What is the status of that client proposal? Now, without you being in the loop, you get your time back. They get autonomy, and everyone wins. And the next one is the calendar connector. Same place, connectors, Google Calendar, and log in. That's all. And now Claude can see your schedule. Yes, it can add events, block 1 hour before Friday for me to review the course outline. But that is the surface level. Here is where it gets really interesting. Ask Claude to analyze your calendar against your goals, because Claude also has your inbox at this point. Now it can cross-reference both. It sees not just where your time went, but the context behind it. The email threads that drove the meetings, the follow-ups that were or weren't done. And you're now talking to something that functions like a business coach who has actually read your email and watched your schedule. Now, that's not a chatbot. That is an AI operating partner. And that concludes this lesson. So before we end, here are some of the few key takeaways. Connectors turn Claude into an operating system, not just a chat tool. Gmail and Calendar are the highest value starting points. ChatGPT migration takes 2 minutes, so don't leave your learning history behind. Natural language inbox search beats Gmail's keyword search every single time. Natural language inbox search beats Gmail's keyword search every single time on complex queries. The calendar plus the goal analysis is a genuine business coaching use case available to you right now. There are also connectors for Slack, Notion, Google Drive, GitHub, and more. And the same principles apply. Start with Gmail and calendar. Get comfortable and then add one more. So every connector you add multiplies what Claude can do for you.